Leaf from scrap wire. Level 1 and 2. Level 1. Grass. Gather the short lengths of scrap wire and bend them in half to make a single blade of grass. Do the same with any free short pieces you may have lying around. Use the longer piece of wire to bind the short blades of grass. Here I am twisting around the base of the leaf and loop around the hooked portion at the bottom to better secure the blade. Do the same with the next piece. Twist tightly around the base. Here I loop around a few times to thicken the base, to signify the grass bulb and give the base some weight. Twist around towards the short end. Now you can start on the continuous blades of grass. You can continue the lengths of grass or vary them in size. I kept mine about 9 to 10 centimeters in length. Twist around the wire once or twice to space the leaves. Now, repeat until you finish the line or until you are satisfied with the number of leaves. Grasses have straight lines, making this pretty simple. Now let's speed up. Twist the grass blade once and then give it some shape. Open the blade slightly to make it more oblong or spear-like. Bend the ends slightly, as if the leaf is bending on its weight. Curve the base to make it able to stand. Here I curve the excess wire to extend the base. Check your work. And you're done. You can make a line of grass as long and as many leaves as you want. Simple, isn't it? Level 2. Compound leaf. With about an arm's length of scrap wire, create a pair of 3 centimeter segments. This will be the smallest leaflet. Create the shape of your leaflet and twist to lock into place. This time, make 4 centimeter segments to make the medium leaflet. Twist around the base to secure the shape. Make another 3 centimeter pair for the other small leaflet. Shape the margin by curving the wire slightly, while keeping the surface flat. Then twist around to lock in place. Here I am making the opposite medium-sized leaflet. Open the gap of the wire to shape the leaflet. Make a pair of 5 centimeter segments for the largest and center leaflet. And lock it into place. Then, loop around the bases of all the leaflets once to secure the center point. Twist around and loop the wire to the back to the common stalk of your leaflets. Adjust the shape and sharpen the pointed tips of the leaflets. Here you'll see, I made a palmately compound leaf. This has 5 leaflets growing from a single petiole, making it 1 leaf. Like level 1 grass, the leaflets here have a simple margin. As before, bend the leaf slightly to give it a more natural curved shape. You can follow the same steps to make as many leaflets, in many combinations as you want. And with that, you're done. This was level 2. Compound leaf. Happy recycling wire. Thanks for watching.